You have an amazing Xbox Elite controller, but unfortunately the grips are peeling and you're pretty frustrated. Well, I'm Jeremy from Ascendant Entertainment, and I'm going to show you 3 easy steps on how to replace it. Okay, so step 1 is to get the replacement grips. I found these on Amazon. They were about 20 bucks, and the link is down in the description below. They're super nice. I got the white ones because I like the contrast, and it also comes with a handy dandy tool that you'll need for the next step. For step 2, you just have to pop off these panels. And then for step 3, just pop these panels back into place. Alright, and there you have it. Nice, sleek, brand new grips on your Xbox Elite controller. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like down below and maybe consider subscribing. And if you want to see some gameplay videos, I suggest that you turn on notifications so you don't miss them when I post them. See you next time. Bye.